the sky is endlessly bright. Fever's got a hold of me, I can't let it go. Share this fantasy, it is the only place that we can see. Shivers up my spine as I lay my hands on you. I hold your solitary high. Was there a way in? I'm caught in a slide, looking for the answer still. I don't know what I've lost. The night, longest dawn of a life. Push the edge, longed for hands. It will go away, it will leave one day. Go out of my life, I will survive. But it's not your fault. Cleared the ground, still homebound. Quietude, won't you have my mind? It seems to be my road, it will go away, it will leave one day. Go out of my life, I'm born to survive. Over and over again it comes, over and over again it goes, over and over again the blow. Over and over, it's not your fault. Take me out back where there's no one living but us. Can the dim light and the sweet smell cover us? Fold my name, hang my past out to dry. Don't ask why. Hide me, I'm yours. Hide me, I'm yours. Hide me, I'm yours. Lay me down where the wind won't tell on us. We have prepared this moment long enough. Please press me hard against your chest. Don't ask why. Hide me, I'm yours. Hide me, I'm yours. Hide me, I'm yours. Let it fall the rain, let it fall the rain, let it fall the rain. Just keep saying my name over and over. Tomorrow's another day, it's another day, it's another day. But keep kissing my mouth over and over.